100 Cents Limited has been selected to develop Fiji's casino in Denarau and a smaller operation in Suva. The selection of 100 Cents Limited was the result of a rigorous assessment and selection process conducted by government. One of the most important ones was the desire to optimize economic benefits from this venture without damaging the socio-economic fabric of Fijian society. Fiji does not seek to imitate Las Vegas in the Pacific. Fiji already has a unique brand, one defined by its uniquely pristine environment, tranquility, and world-class hospitality. The company will also pay gaming taxes and a community fund levy, which will be invested back into development initiatives within the Fijian community, primarily for medical facilities, education, and of course infrastructure upgrades. Government will, within the next 2 months, develop a sound regulatory mechanism that will fuse international best practice in casino regulation with appropriate safeguards that will continue to protect our nation's own interests in both growth and stability. The license will be granted under this new regulatory mechanism. Another Native American interest which stands behind 100 Cents Limited is 7th Generation LLC, a Native-owned company that provides consultation services on businesses, intergovernmental relations, and developments with tribal governments and enterprises in the USA.